Good evening, America. I'm Chloe Sevigny. It's recently come to my attention that we are among beards. I have both wicked fascination and mirth-fueled revulsion for beards. I first stumbled through this truth after awakening in a Slovakian aviary with Lupita Nyong'o, Wallace Annenberg, and Hoobastank. Suddenly, I realized that I was scheduled to present a sapphire to the Queen of Bratislava. We were beckoned by a western screech owl and survived on found dirt. Fortunately, there was a disciplined griffin vulture on site to deliver said goods. I admire the following beards. The Snowy Egret. Last half-midnight, I attended the birthing rituals of Rinko Kikuchi alongside Michael Aguirre, Andrew Reynolds, and Judy Tenuta. We slurped gizzard buttons with mildly flecked gullet. Luckily, I was wearing my pamplemousse feather protectant. No! Join the flock.